We are a trading and distribution company. We are selling raw materials, APIs, excipients, primary packaging materials, processing and packaging equipment, and we also consult the pharma industry. Plus we have a software solution, MES systems for the pharma industry as well. It's a significant show. I believe it allows us to showcase our product range, entire portfolio to the customers, meet some old friends from the industry, and also show some innovations to the customers on the market and what Shabbir International offers to the market. It's been good. We've had a good number of visitors over the last couple of days. We'll see how the third day goes, but we're happy and very, very positive to be here, and hopefully we'll return back in the next year as well. The organizers have done a good job in assembling all the key vendors for the pharma industry, and hopefully they can structure it better and attract some more companies. And also some foreign visitors, which always adds value to the exhibition's standing.